Welcome to our tutorial on how to mark a notification as read on Facebook using your PC. With the recent update, this process has become even simpler, allowing you to manage your notifications more efficiently. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a row of icons there, including the familiar bell icon for notifications. Now, click on that notifications icon. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you all your recent notifications. This is where the magic happens with the new update. As you scroll through your notifications, you might notice some that you've already seen or don't need to act on right away. Here's where our new feature comes in handy. For any notification you want to mark as read, look for the three dots icon on the right side of that notification. When you see those three dots, give them a click. A small menu will pop up with a few options. Among these options, you'll see Mark as Read. This is exactly what we're looking for. Simply click on Mark as Read, and voila! That notification will be marked as read instantly. It's that easy. You can repeat this process for as many notifications as you like. This new feature is a real time saver, especially if you're someone who gets a lot of notifications. It allows you to quickly clean up your notification list without having to open each one individually. Remember, marking a notification as read doesn't delete it. You can always go back and find it later if you need to. It just helps you keep your current notifications organized and manageable. So, there you have it. That's how you can mark notifications as read on Facebook using your PC with the new update. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in managing your Facebook experience. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Happy Facebooking!